Welcome back to As E Dey Hot on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside Obodo the world, Wazobia TV for channel 98 on top of Go TV. Una know say the language when everybody understand for inside this Niger and the language when they take talk now and everybody get the right to chook mouth for inside matter when they affect us inside Obodo Nigeria so that those when they lead this country, when we give the power to represent us, go do the right thing and move this our country forward. Time don't reach for us to they participate. No longer sit down look, they do say we they observe. We get Oga Nicholas Ibekwe, veteran investigative journalist, and when they with Premium Times, everybody knows say them, their own. What did they come this life can do? Now to they find the cocoa when they inside every story. Ezugu Chukudi Anunku be inside studio, and we they discuss who put monkey hand inside the pot of soup of media people and how we go take fit come out so that our media people they go fit do their work and do their work well. Oga Nicholas, before we go that break, you been won't enter another level. You been talk about whistleblowing, and all of us know say when it come whistleblower, if we put if your Bible go call them shobole okay or gbeborun, what people they call them tafia.
You know the thing, you know say. Our culture and most of our language, when they call you amebo, when they call you
now that one I won't use what I say because
or they call you
tafia,
they call you all those ones, missing a bad thing. But you get the way you know be bad thing. When you they talk that your talk, to the talk about somebody in the wrong way, a bad one. But when you talk that talk to show injustice or the truth for us. That's something we're supposed to encourage. If you go other country, and they encourage that means they call this for whistle. For instance, if they work for one company now, and the company they do bad thing and you are a staff of that company, then provide chance for those country for you to come out, even though that your company where they pay you, for you to come to say, now so and so thing my company they do. Then if they sack you, then go pay fine, Then go pay you compensation. And the government provide laws and put some things in place to protect those kind of people from harm. But for here, we don't
get say no day.
But for here, you know,
because typically we don't see cases where we say yes. The issue of whistleblowing normally, maybe somebody blow whistle on top of one particular matter. We can't say some journalists somehow can't they investigate that matter. A lot of journalists in this course don't do it. Don't buy. I don't hear stories of journalists who say they don't come key for their house, you know. On top of say maybe they don't
or they draw here, give them say maybe they don't forget the story.
You understand? But then you people as journalists, what you do also do to ensure say at least say now because we don't say over time we don't see now gather together to talk about some of the people who die in the process of their job. What you do also do to ensure say at least government on their own part provide protection for now rather than to just say okay if they lie make them do anything with them say make them collect.
We try like make I just finish what I talked before.
Okay.
Journalists we no be winch. So we be human being. We no be there our house. They conjure, they know what they happen for somewhere.
Okay.
Now somebody
go somehow.
Go say, I see this kind of thing. Now from when we say give us these documents, now from when we look at those documents, we go say, oh, you say you build this road for 1 billion naira.
True.
Come on, this same road, somebody built them for Ghana for 500 million. The same company, the same length, the same material. How come your own company become
they double?
And the work way will they do with that? So we not be winch. We not go there our house. They say we conjure something, make something happen. Now people, we know, we appeal to. Sometimes the thing they frustrate us because sometimes people come meet you say, hey, they go send you email, they go say call you say we get this kind of information. When you begin to chook eye for the matter. When you call them, say, okay, this thing, I need more information.
They no go agree.
The person will come meet you, he could just back
up. I beg.
You know, go very involve himself for the matter.
You know, losing job. You get picking away one feed, you know, that work. People, they fear. And sometimes, I know they blame them. Because if they will sack them from work, which law they for this country
to protect the person?
You know they. You understand? Now, back to our own case as a journalist. We not be police. Journalists know they carry gun. You understand? We know if they carry security, they go everywhere where they do stories.
Very true.
Now, government, and we dey talk this thing every time. Now, government go make sure say we are well protected.
Now,
that is where we get our office. Government say we get protection. So we to our own, we take some precautions. And some things where you're supposed to know. Don't go show yourself too much. You know, there's no point for you to try to show yourself too much. When you work on a particular story, people they see you every time. So you could hide yourself for corner they do your thing because people for no put eye for your body. And when they go, they say nah this is nine crap they use watching head. So you say if you could look your back every time. You just say once you work on any story, you just say, for instance, you don't go stay for one place. If you work on a major story, when you say it if you harm your stay, no live predictable life. Instead that people say, oh,
see where they come out from, see where they go.
You must come drink here. No, they keep them guessing. That 4 o'clock you there tomorrow. Tomorrow when you want to come there, you come there by 9 o'clock in the night. Then they wait for you for 4 o'clock. They don't miss you. Or you don't come there. So some of all these things the way they put for inside the matter to cover our head, to protect ourselves. But government itself must try, not be only us, for everybody in society, make adequate security. For instance, when you do your house, the president, you need to work on the paper, you come as a journalist. You so fifth pick your phone, call police. So say, I'm a journalist, so make police rush come.
May they come answer.
But, yeah, come answer, you come rescue you and your family. But in this country, with the same, people go call police sometimes, nothing go happen. After they don't rob go, they could say policemen come. Which day one man where they kill for Abuja, the NFF this thing. Then call police when the arm robber come. Police no they no come. Then kill the man. You can imagine if police had come
Arrived earlier on time.
Maybe that man for us in the area alive.
Very true.
You understand now?
Organic cola, this one where you don't talk, don't they very, very sure. Say for us to get, say, okay, investigative journalism go thrive and people go know the truth for inside every matter so that those when we say their plan are to spread lie, they no go fit work. They take plenty collective effort. Government go do their own part, security go do their own part, the people go do their own part, and the media self go do their own part. The more we can talk about fear now. All of us know say, at least for the 21st century, one of the greatest whistleblowers now Julian Assange, when we say when he come out WikiLeaks now, all the information when he put out there and everything. And some people stand up to defend them, say, this man, you talk true. Although some of the charges when they put against them don't even get to do with what he talk. But we'll come break them down now. How you take things, say, as normal person now, if I see bad things when they happen, I go fit put the information out there. If you when be media man come say you need additional information, I go just come and say I go need to cover myself with some kind of divine power before I call the do am or something like that. No, but before you go answer the question, no verse, we get Oga Solomon. They call us all the way from Chicago. Oga Solomon, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
My people, how are they?
Good morning, Solomon.
Haman ahead with greetings,
We dey greet you back.
You know what happened, Nigeria, we don't know your that thing at all. Nigeria, protection all day. Not cover the journalists for that place at all. You know, because right now, not to say for Nigerian TV, not just now, for Wazobia TV, and as well as channel, the Watch Channel too, they know they see they call people names. Even though when the names they for paper say this person thief money, they know they fit, they call names. Because why? The safety of the Nigerian journalists is not guaranteed. Like now, like you said, if you call police for in abroad, right, then police will even come to your rescue. Even if something happens to you, the source, the person they suspect, they will first go arrest that person. But in Nigeria, no, it's like that. Now, but we thank God for Nigeria. You get one news outlet when they like whistleblower, and then they call Sahara reporters. Okay, then they for New York. Because then they for New York, you see for the time they wanted to ban social media, right? Now because of Sahara reporter, why? Because they expose so many secrets. I don't even respect them the way they get their information. So Nigerians need to be thankful for that particular
Media outlet.
Because don't get me wrong, but sometimes they make mistakes. You understand me? They make some kind of mistake, which is okay. Even CNN they make mistake, you know, they still bring wrong information. So at them be the whistleblower when Nigeria gets. So we should be thankful for them. But when they try where you go get them someday.
Thank you very much, we appreciate it, even though you're outside Nigeria. Any issue when concern us for inside the Nigeria, you like to chook your mouth inside and talk about it. Spread the word. Tell our say, make them know they miss Wazobia TV. I mean, they watch Acid Hot because all the issues when they affect us inside of Nigeria, we'll continue to discuss them and we'll go to chook mouth inside the talk them so that those when the government go to hear. Organic colas. Back to that question now. how you take things say we go fit overcome this fear when dey the mind of people, the fear of sack, the fear of say I wan pay my pikin school fees, the fear of say I go give my wife chop money. If I lose all these things, wetin go happen? This thing na go allow injustice and bad things to continue to dey flow inside our society.
The first thing we say, one, we need to. That's why when we want vote, make we dey vote for correct people. When they can't give you 200 naira, can't give you rice for a side place, you go press your finger for the wrong person. Person will give you rice and give you 200 naira. You know, say the person no serious. So make you do your research before you vote. Find out the person pedigree. What they call pedigree? Say, what be in history, in life history,
the quality when you get,
what he don't do, what he fit do for you to vote. Because we need laws. Because everything are based on law. So if you get whistle-blowing law now, we say it go protest whistleblower. So say if you talk about your company, they don't go sack you. Even if they sack you, they go pay you some amount of money and everything. You get those kind of law. One, it will give people the confidence to come down gym, to come talk about what they want to talk. Now that's the main one be that. Now the other one be say, when you come meet journalists, we no be fools. We know which thing we they do. So we don't say you they work here. Now that from there you see your daily gallery. We say if we no go want put you in a position where we say you go feel lose your job. True. There's what they call anonymous. This thing. If you look at some story, we say if he harm the person, we got to ask the name for fear of his job or because he doesn't have permission. So when we they write story or we do something, even if not for TV, if they watch CNN and some other things, sometimes they go cover something.
Not true.
Or they go use something, blood the person's face. You go see the person's face. Now, or they go put the voice, then go use machine, change the voice. Maybe the person will get tiny voice, the voice will come deep, they go come bold down. So all this is to protect whistleblower.
Very true.
Oga Nicholas, I beg, we could just pause for it. We could collect this call from Oga Joe. Oga Joe, they call us from Ikeja. Good morning, Joe.
Morning.
Good morning. I beg, would they hear you? Continue.
Yeah. How na dey, my country people?
We dey fine, Oga Joe.
I hello now. The hammer greeting for now.
We dey greet you back.
With greetings.
Good morning, my brother.
We dey greet you. I beg, contribute for inside the matter we dey discuss.
I dey hello now from this angle. Good morning, on a happy new year.
We wish you the same, sir.
My country people, the work one they do here, I dey hello now. Thank God, say corruption don't dey level now. But you know, say this security matter one they talk. This security matter, when they talk, is strong well because as soon as they fight corruption, so if security no there for an angle because as it they hot here, where they see this billion, and if we won't begin talk, where security no there, my brother, may they no pay you now because Nigeria must continue.
Yes, sir.
But we must fight ahead.
Very true.
Oga Joe, thank you very much
for this important contribution. We, as media people, go continue to put out the truth, make people they know for themselves. And as you don't talk, say security they very, very important. If the government really they concerned about say they want people they talk the truth, they go give them the security. And so long as we support our government, this country if it good now for all of us. From Ikeja, we go enter Niger State. Collect this call from Oga Suleiman. Oga Suleiman, welcome to Aside Hot.
Okay.
Good morning, Suleiman. Suleiman, I beg, bring down the volume of your television so that you go feel hear us well. So that we say go feel hear you.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay, hello.
We dey hear you. Contribute.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Suleiman.
My contribution is say this social media of a team. Because many information when they come up for this social media, they get very wrong.
Okay.
They get very wrong. So like that law what the team is, say they want bring home. When they put law, even if not to sanction the media, but those people they tell lies against people. Because once this lie don't come out hard here, to receive are they very hard. And then they don't damage the person's reputation. So when they try, when they look for a way to stop this false information on social media, because it's too much. Because it damage a lot of people's reputation. And once you don't talk this lie, so even if you can't talk to people, say, and I let the person talk, many people don't believe I'm already. And it will affect you negatively. So my contribution with that.
Oga Suleiman, thank you very much for that your important contribution. And our Ogbonge visitor self been talk and say, we know say some people they want to spread lie, they want to spread falsehood. But whether you like them or not, so long as say truth strong well, and he plenty, he go overshadow these lies. But quick one, before I ask you this next question, we get to do with the social media, because it's very, very important.
Yes.
We will collect this call from Oga Pius. In the call us from Iba. Oga Pius, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga
Pius.
Please, that young journalist, I really enjoy his contribution. But what I wanted to say little about this, the work. Are you hearing me?
Would they hear you? Continue.
So, the journalist work, I know say the work is a very tedious work. But if you, like, I travel to Ghana, Togo, and others, after the video, they don't fear anybody. They say the truth as it be.
Okay.
They don't care whether who you're there or whether it's clever or whatever. But if it comes to Nigeria, it's different entirely. You know, people here fear, like now, if you want like the other previous government, the way journalists hold that information is different from the government. I'm not trying to say whether whatever, but the way other people post their information is different from the government. Sometimes we feel maybe some journalists fear the government. Maybe they relay the information based on what the government is involved. You should try. Let it try to balance the information. Because if we follow the truth, we can't go forward. That's the truth. And the truth must be told. Truth must be told. So I want to try as much as we can do. Let's see how we can try to balance the information. Let's weed the outsiders. If we don't hear from you, we'll do the way to get information.
Very true. Oga Pius, thank you very much for that your important contribution. But we go emphasize, say, you been talking here, you give example, say, during the military regime, say, at the height of oppression, news story people still come out, they talk the truth when they inside matter. And if we check our history, we know, say, we all of us know Dele Giwa, we follow this thing go, because they talk, say, in the talk some with waiting in the talk. When we go this break, come back, we'll give you the floor to address some of the questions where people don't raise as it get to do with how we go for the balance information, and we'll continue our discussion from there to the end of the show. Don't go anywhere. Now, still Aside Hot on top of Wazobia TV. Will they come back? Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of Wazobia TV, when they show for Channel 98 on top of Go TV. Ezugu Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, veteran journalist, Oga Nicholas Ibekwe, they inside studio. And we discuss one very important issue when they affect us inside our Obodo, Nigeria. And the issue of monkey hand, we enter inside the pot of soup of media people. All of us know that the media, now them be the fourth estate of the realm. Now them they carry information when be true, give people so that they go know as the left be from the right. But it can't be like say somehow, because of certain things when they see for our society, they be like say somehow the truth they get K-leg for inside every matter. Oga Nicholas, before we go that break, I be want ask one question, drawing from waiting our people don't talk. Oga Joe, when call us from Ikeja, throw a salute, say the media people they do plenty work, they like what they do. But in come hammer on that security matter, you don't mention about say okay, say for our office, even though as media people you go apply sense, they do the work, they try take precaution, make you no go put yourself on the line on fire. But government self supposed to do their own role to use ensure say the people when they do this. But if we check them, not be just for Nigeria, different parts of the world, it be like say sometimes now media people, now them they be the scapegoats for every issue. How we go take forget that kind of situation when we say it no go possible? But before you answer that question, no verse, we get Oga Anozie in the call us all the way from Enugu. Oga Anozie, welcome to Aside Hot.
Welcome. Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga
Anozie.
I'm calling from Enugu.
Okay, fire on the here.
Okay, we're waiting at the top for social media. They say, you know, say, Nalozie, not Anozie, Nalozie.
Okay,
not
Anozie. Correct them. Right on with the here.
Okay. So I'm waiting at the top for social media. Now the Obonga team where they say Nigeria supposed, because now to open up the secret niche of all these politicians where they hide something. Because some of them they hide something they do. If you investigate it and no saying the truth, you go just open it up. You go affect them. That is why they say they will close social media. So it's not good to close social media. It's better that you open up social media. Make all the whole people for Nigeria, they see waiting bad things, all these our politicians they do. That is my contribution.
Okay,
Oga
thank you very much,
for your contribution. This one still get to do with the information we they discuss about investigative journalism when we say media people go they do. You go answer the question before we move to the next one. Say for different parts of the world, not just Nigeria, it dey be like say somehow in the end, the media and they always be the scapegoats for the end of the issue. Okay, continue.
Okay, the issue we say bad people no like truth. If you dey do bad thing, anybody wey dey talk truth na your enemy.
True.
So you understand?
Very true.
So now I make it be like say na media people na we dey suffer pass when this matter happen because we dey like shining light for dark places, for places for way bad people, and you say bad people dey like dark place where they no make the thing come out from so that they go fit dey continue to do their what their bad thing. But when you don't shine light there, everybody don't see am. Like when breeze blow. Rump of foul open, he can't show. So everybody don't see am. So you no go fit hide again. Then police will come arrest you. So now make it be like say then they face media every time. But now the job we take be that.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
Now our job we will take, and we know say now the risks we they involve. Every job gets in one risk.
Okay. Oga Nicholas, may I bring in this question from this angle? We know say yes. You don't talk say yes. So now the sharp light where darkness deal, especially where this people they like to they hide, they do their business. We will also look at this bill where then they somehow we say somehow, but our body language no go one time. We also hope say somehow may no go work. This bill where they try pushing, where we say we go at least reduce. We go somehow seal us up from not some people, the social media people, from not saying a couple of things. If, for instance, now they get some information from the public or from some people say, see what happen, you understand? And now responsibility from there, pick them up. And this because say, if they pass this bill, say somehow they no go feed the hair until say waiting be that guarantee we go give them that leave and say, okay, if this message come out, and maybe they carry and give somebody like you, and they come from there, follow up. Waiting go give them guarantee, say their own life will be protected. If somehow the same set of people come play their own politics, say that thing is na force rather than fact.
See, there is something we talk say documentary evidence.
Documentary evidence.
So when you give me documents, authentic documents, I go no fake document from the one way be real one. For instance, when you give me document now, I go check official seal. To know say this person now officially and the document with this. I go check say the Anjoga pata for that agency and sign them.
Very true.
I go check say all this. Nobody say you just give me document. Go cause say I go just scan it. Do no. We say we like to protect our own because when we do story, when no be truth, people go attack us.
Very true.
Say I'm fake journalist. He doesn't know his job, and people go talk all down. So for us to defend ourselves from all those ones, we go make sure say wetin you they give us. You can just give me documents, make I dey wrong with them. And besides, we no go want they use me, they fight your personal fights for company. So when you give me your document, of course I trust you, I got them for your hand. But I don't trust you 100%. I go also make sure say to ask, what be your motive? Is it because you just want to talk the truth? Or is it because you enjoy for the team before?
But they can't consider you.
Now you can't invest. So we say we say we collect documents, just they do that. We say we do our own search, we do our own investigation. That's part of the investigation to find out say the person will give us this thing. The person are real, and the person that just want to use us for something. So when we do them also, because also like I said before, when we write the thing out, we also they make sure say we write them in such a way we say when you read them, you know go fit say I know the person. Give them this kind of thing.
Very true.
You understand?
Very true.
So we do that one too.
Very true. Oga Nicholas, make we come drop this one down now. Everybody knows say for this new administration one day now, Nigerians they expect things to be different from the past 16 years. Many of us they hinge our hope and faith on the promises when we say this government make before they enter. And now they don't enter. Nigerians they expect say, okay, well, maybe after 1 year, after 2 years, see so we won't see as we want to make this information day. Make I come ask this simple question now. You think, say, for different issues when they face for this country, maybe this fight against corruption now, the various court cases when they for inside our court, the one when we say EFCC, they took inside investigation, how people they pay for government, the work of our ministers there. You think, say, any hope day for, say, if person won't find information, carry truth, give Nigerians, you think, say, a day at all, Abi, we go just continue in the now normal Nigerian we more live and we will not forget information, we all live and anyhow when it be, that's how it go be.
Hope they, even with the fact, say, all this thing they happen, we think they get information. Everywhere, even in Nazi Germany, during Hitler time, as Hitler weekend reach, they kill anybody anyhow. People think they
uncover,
they bring out things. Most of the things, most of the atrocities where people hear during that Second World War, some of them they hide them. Now people will know about them. Let them bring and come out. So we will appeal to people out there. If you get informate, where you do something, if it be your company, if it be government work, if it be anything, find journalists where you trust. Find journalists where you go give, because like I say, bad people there for everything.
Yes.
Journalists you go give them information, they go back, go meet the guy, say, Chairman, I get this thing about you. See person will give it to me. Give me money or I go use them. That kind of person a bad egg. Where they spoil journalism work. But find somebody where you know say you trust. Go online, read story, look at the name. Every story they carry name. Somebody we don't create name for himself based on say this person are truth in the always talk. Approach him. Give him the thing. Trust him. Say he go treat him well. So he go treat him well for you.
Okay, Nicholas, you see the way you take talk, the passion, the passion there our body. When it comes to this media work, we know those of us when they very passionate about that.
Close show, passion.
Our people when they for us, when they talk and say Nigeria belong to all of us, you know, go spoil. I go speak Latin. Then they talk say vox populi, vox Dei. That is to say, the voice of the people now be the voice of God. And if you be part of 160 million plus strong Nigerian voices, and you decide say you see through, you look the other way, or you know go talk am, now be say bad things go continue to they get more power past good things. Make we support the media people. Make we support our government. Make all of us get that for mind. Say at the end of the day, if Nigeria better, it go better for all of us. Make I give one example. I never see where NEPA go ask or Light go ask which party you they support, which church you they go, or where you come from for Nigeria before you go come. Once up power come for anywhere, now up power for everywhere. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke as it take concern current affairs and a review of all the action today we will not discuss this week. Oga Nicholas will go shake your hand and say you try. Enter inside studio, follow us talk this truth. When I don't always they talk since.
Oga Nicholas take.
What do we take?
Leave me hand now.
Okay, if I don't leave your hand, come. Now bye bye. Which hand? You want to follow me drag and show?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.